And they're off, and New Age Girl breaks on top. Toward the inside, Leave It To Me Baby's away sharply, and Leave It To Me Baby comes up on the inside of New Age Girl, and these two are head-to-head. Hung Up is right in behind them, racing in third. Surprise the Devil comes on to be fourth. Way out there, I Know Joe's going to be stuck wide of the fire turn run. Dolly Bonds moves up now. Snow Sprite's in behind that leading group, saving ground and moving up on the inside, Seeking Gabrielle, passing horses with a nifty move down on the rail. 3 lengths farther back to the trailer, Obregon, who's about 10 lengths behind the leader. Leave It To Me Baby. Leave It To Me Baby. It's the top of the stretch in front. New Age Girl's off the turn second. Hung Up is still down inside third. And here's Seeking Gabrielle now switching outside for the final 1/8 of a mile. And Surprise the Devil fights on as well. 16th to go. Leave It To Me Baby's digging in for the final 16th. New Age Girls, Seeking Gabrielle, Surprise the Devil. Here's the finish. Leave It To Me Baby. Goes gate to wire, scores 1.25 lengths over New Age Girl, Surprise the Devil, and Seeking Gabrielle.